Okay, so we're now going to apply what you've just learnt in video 4 to get another way to get angle between two vectors so you don't have to use trigonometry. Okay, so I've got two vectors, A and B, so I've got there's some value in front of i's and some value in front of j's. So what I'm going to do is I want you to use the binomial expansion and I want you to get a product and see if you can simplify it down by using what you've just learned in the previous video, and I'll give you a head start, and when you come ready, come back live. Okay, so we're going to use the FOIL. So I've got x1, x2, I plus x1, y2, I, j plus x2, y1, I. I'm just doing an alphabetical order, I, j, plus y1, y2, j, squiggles under all those. Okay, and you've got I by I, and you've got j by j, and then you've got these ij's and ij's. And so what's going to happen is ij is 0, ij is 0, I is 1, jj is 1, and so you just end up with this really nice x1, x2 plus y1, y2. Okay, so hopefully you got that, otherwise just come across. Okay, so now we've got our dot product formula from the last video, which is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. And as I said, we're trying to get a new formula for cos theta, so just divide both sides by that. And so just on this previous slide, we had A dot B, which is this x1, x2 plus y1, y2, which is on the previous slide. And the magnitude of A is from an earlier video, and the magnitude of V is from an earlier video. So you just end up with this beautiful formula. So you don't have to use trigonometry, you can use this formula. And we'll have a look at some examples. Okay, so find the angle to the nearest degree between I plus 2j and 2i plus j. And so cos theta will equal 1 times 2. So we're just going to have that number times that number plus that number times that number over the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared multiplied by 1 squared plus 2 squared. Can I just make sure I got the formula right on the previous page? Yep, so I had a multiplied sign in between. So I got 2 plus 2 over the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 equals 4 over 5. And so cos theta equals 4/5. So theta will equal cos minus 1 4/5. Make sure your calculator's on degree mode, and you get, according to my calculator, you get 37 degrees. Okay, so finish that off, copy that down if you need to, and come across. This next one, show that A and B are perpendicular. So what we're trying to prove is the angle is 90 degrees, and or cos of 90, remember, equals 0. Okay, so have a go, and if you want to, just wait for me, otherwise have a go and come back when you're ready. Okay, so cos theta equals 2 times 3 plus minus 3 times 2 over the square root of 2 squared plus minus 3 squared times the square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared. But on the top we've got 6 minus 6. It doesn't matter what's on the bottom. Square root of 13 times square root of 13. We get 0 over 13, which is 0. So cos theta equals 0. Theta equals cos minus 1, 0, which is 90 degrees. Therefore, they're perpendicular. And that's it. So I'll have a worksheet, or it'll flow on to the next thing. Thanks, bye.